current trends, how things are going on, children are more addicted to junk food. They prefer pizzas, they prefer pastas, they prefer burgers. It's all to do with Maida products, number one. Number two, whatever content goes into the food, it's like literally pre-chewed. You see the patties in the burger, you see the a chunk of food that comes with pizza or for that matter a pasta. They're so soft, it's easy to chew and swallow. They don't really have to work on it as compared to rice and sambar and rasam and vegetables on it. It becomes more harder because the rice has several granules and several textures to it. Similarly, if the child has to have any other food that is healthy, there is multiple textures to it or taste to it. So introducing a healthy meal is important, and for parents to make it simpler, I would like to encourage you to have one carb, one protein, and one vegetable or fruit in a meal. This is again from SOS approach to feeding. One carb, one protein, and one vegetable or a fruit. And we can do it very, very easily in our Indian context. Roti, it's a complex carb. And then you got maybe chana, which is protein. And when you are cooking chana, you're of course going to put puree of tomatoes in it. There's going to be onions in it. You already actually have the vegetable ingredients also into the food that you're cooking, right? Which is a good thing. In most countries, they don't do it that way. But in India, it's actually pretty much easy to give you a balanced meal for your child. However, if you want to further complement it with other fruit or vegetable, go ahead. So each meal should have that. Talk about a South Indian meal. You have a dosa, you have sambar or a chutney. So dosa has carb and protein. Why? It's got rice as well as dals in it, urud dal. And then you have a chutney, it's got vegetable in it, or sambar has vegetables in it. So basically, we're giving a child a wholesome meal at their breakfast table. Similarly, you can categorize this for lunch as well as for dinner. One carb, one protein, one vegetable or a fruit. In that way, you can give a nutritious meal to your child, and it's very safe for them to eat this kind of food rather than just having any one ingredient go into it. I hope I answered you.